Here's my new 2001 BMW 540. It's got a clicking noise, so I'm trying to get some video. Maybe you guys can help me identify it. Sounds like it's coming from the passenger side of the block.